Well, I'm going to try to make a centerpiece for my Alice in Wonderland display today. Still trying to decide what I want to do. Well, I have these to cascade out of my container. I have some rocks to put at the bottom of the container to weight it for it doesn't fall over. These red roses and different red flowers mixed together I bought at Hobby Lobby a while back. They've been used in multiple posts. This one's from last year. My daughter put some playing cards on it. And these roses just for some filler from 99 cents, no, Dollar Tree. And I got one this way. I got two of those. And I got two of these. The color matches pretty good, but you can tell they're not the best quality. And this one here I got at Michael's during a clearance sale for $2. As you can see, it's better to try to get stuff at Michael's or one of the better stores on a clearance sale because they're a lot thicker and you get a lot more for your money. And I always think that's great too. So I do buy a lot of inexpensive flowers, but I do try to buy new ones. So we have $4, $6, $8 for this flower arrangement because all the other ones I've had. So it's not too bad. But this is going to be an Alice in Wonderland centerpiece flower arrangement I'm going to make. So we got $8 in this one. Let's see if Grandma can get it done. I've been trying all morning and I keep not being happy with what it looks like. I'm getting pretty tired. We may just put it up the way it is. Because this flower arrangement is going to be so tall, and the flowers themselves, the stems are not. I put some styrofoam at the bottom, and I'm going to drop in a bag of rocks. Why am I doing that? Because if I don't, they're going to be falling all around. I don't like gluing things or putting things too tight in here, so these things are just going to get laid in here, and we're going to pray for the best. I put the tallest one at the back, spread them out a little bit, and we'll move them around a little more once I start putting the red flowers in too. I'm hoping it's going to look okay. The rocks are really helping with supporting it from not tipping over. Okay, I'm putting one on each side of this arrangement. I've pushed all the leaves up to the top to give it look more fuller around the flowers. And let's put them in next. As you see, I put one on each side, and then we're going to put the smaller ones to the front that I got from Dollar Tree. And I pushed the little smaller ones further down into the pot for the bigger ones will show, and the little ones are closer to the bottom of this container. Now I did spread these out, and then I bent them where they'll cascade down from the container better. So I have one more to put in. I bought 3 altogether. It probably would have looked better if I had 6. But, you know, you just try to do the best you can. Now, keep in mind, I didn't anchor anything with anything. This stuff is just put in there carefully and tried to make it as tight as I could to keep it from moving around. And I did put a bag of rocks at the bottom to help support it for it wouldn't tip over. Okay, let's finish this up so you can see how it's going to look. Good or bad, it's what I'm doing for today. And I've already done this like 3 times and I've been very unhappy how it looked. And I don't know if I'm happy with this one either, but this is the way it's going to be. I did want to show you how I got these flowers to stand straight up. I put a couple of grocery bags in here and pushed them down to the bottom to keep all the flowers standing straight up and be tight. But they don't flop around because I don't have them anchored anywhere. Well, I ended up turning it around like this because this flower arrangement was so tall. I wanted to give you the full height in one picture. Well, what did you think? Like I said, this one I wasn't happy with. I needed more of the white flowers, at least one more bunch, and I needed maybe 3 more of the yellow. But or, you know, you just do the best you can. And I've already spent so much money this year in Alice in Wonderland. This is what I'm doing for my Alice in Wonderland centerpiece. Let me know what you thought. Like I said, I know I need to get a few things differently, and maybe the container itself wasn't the right container. I just couldn't seem to find something I liked, and most of my containers were over at my daughter's because we've been working together, and I think she's got like 5 or 6 of my containers over there with flowers already in them. So I still had this one at home, so this is what I did. Thought it turned out pretty good considering everything. I thought the centerpiece turned out really nice once I got all the flowers put in there, and of course I brought all my cute little Alice in Wonderland accessories in. Aren't they cute? We have the March Hare, Tweedledee and Tweedledum, and of course the Queen's Soldier behind waving hi to all of you, and there we have the Cheshire Cat. Are they not cute? Let me know what you thought once it was all finished. Well, here I have all my little characters ready to show off from Alice in Wonderland. We have the March Hare on a riser to match my black and white checks. I have Tweedledee and Tweedledum here, and the little guy behind you is one of the Queen's soldiers. Isn't he cute, waving hi to all of you, saying, "Good morning, good morning." And here is our wonderful little Cheshire Cat poking out on another riser. I thought it turned out pretty cute. What did you think? Now don't forget, tomorrow Grandma Sandy and Gigi are joining in together to have an Alice in Wonderland tablescape. Anything you might want to do, if you just want to do a centerpiece like I did, you could. Anything, but the theme is Alice in Wonderland. Anytime tomorrow is fine. We have a lot of international channels, so the time is not that important, but tomorrow is. So make sure you show up for it. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and we'll see you tomorrow for the Alice in Wonderland Challenge with Grandma Sandy and Gigi.